Use Shopify's all-in-one POS system to power your retail business. It offers frictionless shopping experiences with a cutting-edge POS system that allows customers shop whatever they choose, from online through the checkout line. Here are a few features that are mentioned: creating purchase orders and transferring goods based on inventory projections and performance is the first step in advanced inventory management. The second is custom staff permissions, which you may set to restrict staff access to the POS system and enable you to delegate with confidence. The third is unified reporting. Fourth is browse in store, make an online purchase. Fifth, bring online clients into the store to be picked up in order to upsell. The sixth tip is buy in store, ship to customer. The seventh tip is buy anywhere, return anywhere. Visit the website at the link provided in the description for further information.